Hey there, tired of manually running commands on multiple Azure VMs? What if you could execute them instantly with just a few clicks? No hassle, no errors. For example, if you need to update software on multiple Azure VMs or troubleshoot an issue, simply select the VMs, choose the execution method, and let Cloudshot handle the rest. It's quick, easy, and ensures consistency across all VMs. Let's get started. Select the VM you want to run the command on. Simply right-click on it, then go to the Cloudshot Azure option from the menu. From there, select Execute Command. The command execution window will open. In the execution interface, you'll have three options to run commands. You can upload a script file in .sh format, or you can paste an HTTPS URL that contains your script, or you can directly enter an VM command. Let's start with the first option, uploading a script. Upload .sh script file directly from your computer, and then click on the Run Command button. You will also receive notification that the command is successfully executed. To see the details of the command execution, just click on the arrow. This window displays the results of the command execution from your VM. It gives you a clear view of what happened during execution, allowing you to track and monitor the process easily. At the top, we have the machine ID and its state. In this case, it's running. Our command execution was successful, as shown by the success status. Under Commands, we can see we're working with an uploaded script. The system shows us it's running on Linux. The output is showing that means the process started up. It checked your system, said hello, and confirmed your temp directory is there. Think of it as your system waving hello. Now the stare part with all those numbers. This is showing your current system activity. One row of zeros, your baseline. One row with actual numbers, your active state. When you see numbers filling in that bottom row instead of zeros, congratulations! Your process is alive and working. You can also copy the output and hide the details if needed. Now, let's try the second option. Cloudshot gives you another way to access the execute command. Just click on this third icon button. Then, paste your HTTPS URL here, and click on Run Command button. You will also receive notification that the command is successfully executed. If you want to see the details of the command, just click on the arrow. You'll see details about the HTTPS URL you used. This command output gives you a quick health snapshot of your Azure VM. It shows all your key metrics, memory, disk space, and CPU usage in one clear view. Now, let's try the third option. Just click on the shortcut button. Simply enter your VM command directly into the provided field. Then click on Run Command button. After executing the command, you will receive a notification, just like before. To see the details, click on the arrow. Here, you will see the details of the uptime P command execution. The output displays how long the system has been running in a human-readable format. For example, the output up 4 days, 22 hours, 13 minutes indicates that the system has been running continuously from 4 days. Now that we've gone through all the options, you can see how smoothly everything works. With Cloudshot, executing commands on Azure VMs has never been this easy. Whether you're uploading scripts, using URLs, or entering commands directly, you have full control over your Azure VMs, all with just a few clicks. And if you're interested in learning how to execute EC2 commands in Cloudshot, check out the video linked in the description box below. Thank you for watching.